Alright everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I want to get straight into it. I'm heading to a primary school, yes, a primary school, to go meet up with Ben and Simon because they are swapping downpipes, and I'm just going to come along and just film because I like car installs and I just thought it'd be fun to go film it and go see them. So it should be a fun video. Hopefully nothing goes wrong and hopefully the cops don't get called on us. So this is the primary school that they're going to be swapping downpipes at. Nice little place, look at this. Subway and I'm coming along. One of these, I think. Nice. And it just plops back in. With this it does. Thank you for the ride. Time to change downpipes at a primary school.
Yeah. I wonder when mine will go out.
Oh, yours will last. Probably those pads.
Intercooler.
Have like this one and all these others, and the flow is just going straight that way. It's not like
it's nearly off. So we're actually at the place where I changed my rear fog light. This one here. I just didn't make a video because I'm an idiot. But yeah, it's a good place, you know. Hey, got it! Yes! Yes! This is what I'll be getting soon.
It's a downpipe in the door. Oh.
First one out. Now for this one. Ben. Jayden's decided to rock up as well.
Hey mate.
Hello.
You can hear it as well.
There's the catless. Both out successfully. I'm doing some upper engine cleaning. Shout out to Jayden. Just chuck some of this in. Gave her a good clean. Catted downpipe going on.
yeah, we're done.
Already?
Fucking done.
Fuck. Simon's the man. Okay, the first one is done. Simon is now catted and Ben's gonna go catless. School watch has just rocked up. The fuck? It does sound alright. I think that's just to flush it all out the back. That's why I was smoking so much. Looks like I blew a head gasket, man. Jayden's giving it a quick drive. Bye. Bye. Oh fuck, I want to hear it. Oh fuck, through the bush. Oh shit. Oh. Oh, it looks so good. Man, the Q300 just sounds so good. Okay, Jayden's about to head off. Shout out to him for hooking me up with this cleaner and doing it for me. Alright, Ben's giving it a drive. Ben wants Tomei so bad, so he's probably having the time of his life right now. Yep. Bye, Jayden. Nearly done with Ben's. I'm actually so excited to hear it, eh? Just jacking it up and then should be ready to go.
Big up Simon the mechanic.
Simon the
He's
G.
the man.
Oh man. First start. Benji is officially catless. Congratulations, mate. You got what you wanted. Let's go. Alright, that all worked out well. The boys have officially swapped downpipes. Alright guys, nothing went wrong. It's a success. Oh, that Tomei whistle, man. See ya. Alright, see ya.
See ya, bye.
Okay guys, this seems like a perfect place to end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Simon for doing all that work and swapping around the downpipes. Go follow all the boys that were in today's video. Show them some support. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe for more. And while you're down there, hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. If you guys are liking this type of content, let me know. Leave a comment. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!